Good morning, dear students. Today we're gonna continue with paint program, and we're gonna take new shapes. Okay. Let's remind you to class time. Some of the shapes called call outs, cloud call out. Who can remember? Oval call out, round rectangle call out, and today we're gonna take new shapes. Lightning. This one is called what? Lightning. We get it from where? From shapes. Second one, 6-point star. As you can see, it has 6-point star. That's why it's called 6-point star. We got it also from shapes. The second shape is called what? 5-point star. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's why it's called 5-point star. The fourth shape, 4-point stars. As you can see, it has 1, 2, 3, and 4 stars, point stars. That's why it's called 4-point stars. Pentagon. This shape, it's called what? Pentagon. Hexagon. This shape, it's called hexagon. We also got it from shapes. Okay. Hexagon, pentagon, 6-point star, 5-point star, 4-point star, lightning. And this one, it's called what? What do you think? Heart. Heart. Let's repeat the shapes. Again. Lightning. Lightning. 6-point star, 5-point star, 4-point star, pentagon, hexagon, and the last one, I think all of you know it, heart. Heart shape. Okay, let's repeat them again. Pentagon, 4-point star, 5-point star, who can tell me 6-point star, lightning, and the last one, the easiest one, heart. Heart. Last time we took, yes, who can remember, color picker, and we wrote the text on the shapes using which tool? Yes, text tool. This one, it's called what? Magnifier. Magnifier. When I press on this button, it zooms on the shape, makes the shape bigger. And if you want to change anything to that picture itself, you can change. See? Okay, this is called what? Magnifier. This is called what? Magnifier. Zooming on the picture. Then what does it do? Zoom in. What does it do? Zoom in on the shape, on the selected part. Okay, this is called what? Magnifier. Magnifier. It zooms in on the part of the shape you are selecting. Okay? This one, it's called resize. Resize. What does it mean to resize a shape? To change the size, either bigger or smaller. Let's select one of the shapes. This one, it's called 5-point star. I'm gonna select the shape and select the resize button and change the horizontal part and the third vertical part. I'm gonna change the size of the shape from the width, okay, and from the length, okay. For example, what happens here? What do you think? The shape is smaller or bigger? Yes, it's the size of the shape, it's getting bigger. It's getting what? Bigger. Let's undo and do it again. Now when I undo my action, the size of the shape or the 5-point star returned back to the size it used to be before. Let's try it again. On the 6-point star shape, I'm going to select my shape. Okay. And I'm going to select Resize tool or button. I'm going to change the size of the picture or the shape from the middle, from the width. Okay. And the length also, I'm going to change it. What happens? It's getting bigger. Okay, I'm gonna make it smaller this time. Let's do it. See what happens to the shape? To the 6-point star? Let's do it. Let's make the other shape smaller. So I can change the size of the shape, either bigger or, yes, or smaller. Using which tool? Resize button. Resize button. Okay, let's do it. I'm gonna make this shape smaller. See, the size of the width, the horizontal part, and the vertical part, or the length, when I make it smaller in one part, it gets smaller in the other one also at the same time. See, the 5-point star is getting smaller. I change the size of the 5-star shape to be smaller. Let's see the lightning. Okay, I'm gonna change the size of the lightning and make it smaller. Okay, resize, also the same. I selected the resize button. See, all the shapes are getting smaller. Let's select the 4-point star. Okay, move it here and make it smaller size. Let's do it. See? See the difference? It was bigger than that. I changed the size to be smaller. I can change a pentagon to be bigger size. Let's do it. Okay. Now it's getting bigger. The pentagon is getting bigger. Let's see the hexagon. Okay. Let's make it bigger. See? I changed the pentagon to be bigger size and the hexagon to be bigger size. 4-point star getting smaller, 6-point star getting smaller, 5-point star getting smaller, lightning getting smaller, and the heart, I'll leave it like that, but I'm gonna change its place. I'm gonna do what for the shape? Select. I'm gonna select it, okay? Got it? I can also change the size from the handles here, see? From the corners. Okay, got this part? But what's the name of the shapes now? What's the name of these shapes? Who will tell me? Who will tell me? Pentagon, yes. This one is called what? Hexagon. Okay, hexagon. Again, hexagon, pentagon, 4-point stars, 5-point stars, 6-point stars, heart, yes, lightning. Again, again, who can tell me? See how I'm moving the shapes using which button? Select, yes, I'm selecting my shape. Let's start again. Here's all my new shapes for today. Yes, this one is called what? I can hear you. 4-point stars, excellent. 5-point stars, 6-point stars, heart, lightning, hexagon, pentagon. Great. And this button is called resize. I'm resizing the shape. I'm changing the size of the shape, either bigger or smaller. This one it's called magnify. It's zoom on the shape. When I press on it, here we go. Okay. Zoom in on the shape. Okay. Got this part? Got it? Or still? What do you think? Tell me the name of the new shapes again. You can tell me. Pentagon, hexagon, 4-point stars, 5-point stars, heart, 6-point stars, lightning, resize button, magnifier, and here we have another button. It's called delete button. When I select, for example, I select my shape here and I want to delete it. What do I do? Who can remember? Yes, I press on the delete key or I press cut. Okay. Or I have the delete button here. See? It looks like a red cross. Delete button. See, again, undo. First, I have to select my shape that I want to delete. Press delete from the keyboard or cut, or from the button here, it's called delete. It has red color and looks like X. Okay, here we go. Undo. Got these? Okay. Magnifier, resize button, delete button, and the new shapes, pentagon, hexagon, 4-point stars, 5-point stars, 6-point stars, heart, lightning. Okay, got this? Please practice drawing the shapes and writing with the text tool, changing the size, deleting with the delete button. Okay, zooming in and zooming out. Good luck.